All right, you ready to go pick out your first bone? Let's get your harness on.
Such a patient, good pup.
Good job. You ready to go to PetSmart?
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Come on.
Let's go.
Get in, Woody. We're going to PetSmart.
Oh, good boy. Watch your tail.
Where are we at?
Come on.
Oops. What do you think, bud?
What movie do you want that?
Okay, you can pick whichever one you like.
Wait.
Which one are you gonna pick?
Which one do you like?
Okay, that's the one.
Okay, let's go check out. Chew treats, puppy.
He wants it.
You want it? Okay, let's go pay.
Oh, we got it. Puppy. Say hi, Woodford.
Want to say hi, Dad?
Say hi. All right, let's take your bone home. All right, what'd you pick here? Lamb and apple flavor? Gross. There you go. Is that a good one, Woody? What do you think? How's it taste? Do you like it? Do you think you picked a good one? There you go. Hey, can I see it? Hey, you got some on your nose, dude. Making a mess, Woody. Wow, you're doing pretty good.